All right, welcome back. Let's take a look at these trades here that we made for this Wednesday, the 25th of October. So, very quiet this morning. If you were joining us this morning, didn't have any trades the first 30 minutes. I was watching some. I was watching the ES, which we actually did end up getting a trade, as well as the mini Russell. So let's first look at the mini Russell because that came in right before the opening, which turned out to be an HF1 short. It was triggered right after the opening, and I wasn't in this trade, but maybe a minute at the most, and made some money on RTY. So I did end up taking a profit on this trade, getting out at the exit here, which was came in around 1 to 2 minutes after the opening bell. Let's see, what else do we have here? We also had a buy that came in, and it was actually a pairing pattern buy. In this case, it did not work out, okay? So we had a pairing pattern buy. I was looking for much higher targets up here. Unfortunately, it did fail on the buy, came down, and I ended up getting out down here on a stop, getting stopped out. So the net on the Russell is I ended up taking a loss on that. Where I ended up making my money was on the ES. Now the ES, we did have a potential pattern setting up this morning. Didn't actually get triggered until after the opening bell. So let's take a look at the E-mini S&P. All right, so it finally hit our level here that we were looking at this morning before the opening bell. Came in around 9:40. Finally triggered a short. That was an HF2 short again, if you recall. So we did hit that HF2 level for short. Took the short. Held this for quite a while before it actually did hit our target down here. We did finally hit our target. That target came in right before 1 o'clock. Or thereabouts, and so nice little profit on that. So once again, very quiet. Only had a couple trades, total 3 trades, 2 on the mini Russell. Had a nice win on the start of the day, but I gave it back, trying to take that buy. But I did pick it up on the E-mini S&P. So overall, not a great day, but not a bad day. We are still ending up green for the day. Have nothing going in overnight. We are going to watch. Maybe we may get some buying opportunities in the morning. So that's probably what I'm going to be looking at. So we'll just have to wait and see. Please join us in the morning. I do, the room is open about 30 minutes before the opening bell. So I do open at 9 a.m. Eastern time. First 30 minutes is open to everybody. So you don't have to be a member in order to watch. If I have any trades or setups during that first 30 minutes, I will take them. If not, a lot of times I can at least get some potential orders in, depending on if they get the levels or not. So a lot of times those patterns will form before the opening bell. But sometimes they don't complete until after the opening bell, once we get that initial volatility coming into the market. Sometimes we get it before the opening, sometimes we get it after the opening, which is kind of what we saw today on the E-mini S&P and also on the Russell. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up. We'll be back again tomorrow morning. Please join us. If you have any questions, please visit my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com, or my YouTube channel. Plenty of videos there. And there are more that go into explaining basically my approach to trading, which is different and unique from most in the sense that I have identified only 4 patterns that I look and trade, along with something we call Einstein. It gives us high probability targets. This green line down here was one of those targets on the E-mini S&P. And it's been doing this now for, been using this for about 36 years now. And it's, these patterns have stood the test of time. So I'm very confident in my patterns. And it's just a matter of getting used to this style of trading. Not seeing a bunch of indicators here, folks. Not looking at support and resistance. Everybody's trying to do that. And I think you don't want to be following the crowd when it comes to trading, because what do we know about the crowd? Majority of people that trade lose money. So that should kind of give you an idea. So anyway, that's it. We'll be back first thing in the morning, and everybody have a good day.